The Government of India plans to cover approximately 25 crore citizens by July 2021 under its COVID-19 vaccine program, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan said. The centre is working on plans for building capacities in human resources, training, supervision and others on a massive scale, and roughly estimates to receive and utilize 400 to 500 million doses covering approximately 20 to 25 crore people by July 2021. All this under various stages of finalization, Dr. Vardhan said. Priority would be given to health workers engaged in COVID-19 management in getting the vaccine, the minister said. The list of frontline health workers will include both government as well as private sector doctors, nurses, paramedics, sanitary staff, ASHA workers, surveillance officers, and many other occupational categories who are involved in tracing, testing, and treatment of patients. This exercise is targeted to be completed by the end of this October, and the states are being closely guided to also submit details about cold chain facilities and other related infrastructure which will be required down to the block level, the minister said. The indefinite Chakka Bandh, called by the All Assam Motor Transport Association, started today in the state in support of their demands in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Assam Transport Minister Chandra Mohan Patowary has reportedly called for a meeting with the association tomorrow. According to reports, the association is likely to stage a protest in front of Janata Bhavan at Dispur on the day. All Assam Motor Transport Association has demanded an increase in transport fares, including bus fares, in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. The association alleged that the government has increased the prices of various essential commodities and even petrol and diesel. However, it has turned a blind eye towards the repeated demands of the association to increase transport fares. A 33-year-old man in Manipur missed his UPSC prelims when he was allegedly trashed by villagers in Ukhrul district while he was on his way to the exam center in Imphal. Soshing Keishing has been admitted to a district hospital and is undergoing treatment with multiple injuries. The alleged incident took place following an argument between him and the authorities of Rayotang village in Ukhrul over issuance of travel pass, which he needed to cross the village. Secretary of the village allegedly thrashed Soshim after accusing him of disrespecting guidelines issued by the local authorities. A suo motu FIR has been registered at Ukhrul police station, a police officer in the district said. Students would need written consent from their parents before attending classes at school, while attendance would not be made mandatory, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan said. The guidelines by the Ministry of Home Affairs state students may attend school only with the written consent of parents and that attendance will not be enforced upon the students, he said during his weekly online interaction Sunday Samvad. He also said that it would be mandatory for schools that are allowed to open to follow the standard operating procedures set by the government. The Education Ministry on Saturday released guidelines for reopening of educational institutions, holding that schools, colleges, and other institutions can open outside containment zones after October 15th. However, the decision on reopening educational institutions has been left in the hands of states concerned. Across the world, Assam is renowned for its tea gardens as well as its passion for football. In state's Golaghat district, the two come together to form a perfect blend through the Golden Baby Leagues to take Indian football forward together, giving hope of a brighter future to the families living in the tea estates. A large portion of our players come from the surrounding tea gardens. They possess so much talent, but the mindset of most parents isn't much in tune with modern times. The lives of most of the kids begin and end in the tea gardens itself. Chinmay Bora, the league operator for the NRL Football Academy Golden Baby League in Numaligarh, said. The Golden Baby Leagues project was started by All India Football Federation in 2018 with the aim of nurturing a new generation of boys and girls who start playing football at a very young age. With positive cases rising all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of northeastern states are: like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for news that matters and stories that inspire.